of you. My name is Jaswant. I am studying in 4th class. Today topic is benefits of yoga. Yoga helps us to control the body, mind, and spirit. Also helps in relieving stress and anxiety. Doing yoga develop strength and confidence in the body. A person who does yoga every day does not have any other disease. Recognizing the importance of yoga. International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on 21st June all over the world. History of yoga. Yoga originated thousands of years ago. The knowledge of yoga has been passed from one generation to another through the Guru display tradition. In ancient time, along with the education of Vedas and weapons, yoga was also taught in the ashram. Yoga helps in keeping our mental and physical health intact. It keeps away most of the ailments from our mind and body. It helps us to connect nature. Yoga allows clearing the mind and reaching a more peaceful life approach. It helps in improving the flexibility of muscles. It makes a better digestive system. Yoga helps in weight reduction. It helps in skin glow. Yoga reduces stress, various fears, and mental disorders. By practicing yoga, we can also sharpen our mind and our intelligence. Yoga helps in achieving inner peace and fighting against stress and other problems. Yoga practice is frequently and correlated with a stronger immune system. It also reduces the side effects of many heavy medicines taken by patients daily. Yoga was also develop self-discipline and self-awareness if practiced regularly. Thank you for listening.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Praveen. I am studying in 4th class. Today's topic is what is the importance of tree. Tree is the most important in our life. Tree gives us the oxygen. Tree gives us the fruits. Tree gives us the vegetables. Tree gives us the flowers. Tree gives us vegetables. I love my trees. Thousand birds and animals live in the forest. Tree take carbon dioxide. Tree give us paper. Tree give us wood. Tree give us shadows in summer. Tree environment cool. Tree help to prevent soil erosion. Plants give us cotton. Thank you for listening.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Sanukra. I am studying in 4th class. Today topic is tree. Trees are very important in life. Tree give us oxygen. Tree give us flowers. Tree give us fruits. Tree give us rubber. Tree give us gum. Tree give us paper. Tree give us wood. Tree control noise pollution. Tree helps to prevent soil erosion. Tree bring rain. Many medicines are made from the tree. Tree is my best friend. Tree make environment cool. Birds make a nest on the tree. Tree helps to water. Tree clean the air. Tree take carbon dioxide. Save trees and save our life. Thank you for listening.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Aksha. I am studying in 4th class. Today's topic is tree. Tree is very important in life. Tree gives us oxygen. Tree gives us fruits. Tree gives us flowers. Tree gives us. Tree take carbon dioxide. Tree gives us vegetables. Tree gives us food. Tree is my best friend. Tree is shadow in summer. Tree gives us carbon. Tree gives us vegetables. Tree gives us fruits. Tree gives us gum. Tree gives us cardboard. Tree gives us paper. Tree gives us wood. I love my tree. Birds nest in a tree. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sai Kiran. I am studying in 4th class. Today's topic is value of time. Time is the most important factor for the progress of human being. Time is running continuously. Time once gone is gone. Forever, it never come back. Time gives equal opportunity to all. It does not say the poor or rich, young or old, healthy or sick, etc. It is important to all. The time and tide waits for no man. Thanks for listening. Good morning, all of you. My name is Tarun. I am in class 4th. Today's topic is value of time. Time is the most important factor for the progress of human beings. Time running continuously. Time once gone is gone. Forever it never come back. Time gives equal opportunity to all. It does not of the poor. Say the poor, young or rich. Thank you for listening.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jineranjan. I am studying in 4th class. Today's topic is yoga. Yoga is important, but how healthy? Yoga is an art. Yoga is best exercise. Yoga started in India. International Yoga Day is 21st June. Yoga is famous in whole world. Friend, every morning yoga 4:30. Exercise is very important in our life. Happy International Yoga Day. Thank you for listening.